This is why you need a bowl and a spoon. Why? Because we're diving into the easiest ice cream recipe ever. Just 2 ingredients in 5 minutes and you'll be in dessert paradise. All you need is 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. First, pour your heavy cream into a big bowl and then whip it up until it's nice and fluffy. Got that whipped cream looking like soft clouds? Awesome! Now, grab your can of sweetened condensed milk and pour it into the mix. Stir them together until they're just combined. No overmixing, we don't want to lose that fluffiness. Once they're all mixed up, pop your bowl into the freezer. And guess what? In just about 5 minutes, you'll have your very own homemade ice cream. It's that simple, and oh so delicious. You can even toss in some chocolate chips, a splash of vanilla, or some fresh berries to make it extra special. So what are you waiting for? Grab your ingredients and let's make some ice cream magic happen. Remember the best part about this? You made it yourself, and it's full of fun and love. Enjoy your yummy treat with family and friends.